Where are you from, brother?
I'm from Korea.
Oh, sarang gate, sarang yaw.
Yeah.
Birahing galagom, tabugok og tamala. Oh, you can speak Philippine?
I don't speak Philippine.
Okay, if you want to
Okay.
teach, if you want to speak Philippine, I teach you how to speak Philippine.
Okay.
Yeah, say hello in English in Philippine. Nagpautog na ka?
It's difficult.
Hello in English and Philippine.
Hello.
Nagpautog na ka?
Okay.
Yeah, nagpautog na ka. It means hi is wala pa. Yeah, pautog. Pautog it means hello my friend. It means
Hello, my friend.
yeah, pautog.
쉽지 않다.
You're very strong ha. You're very strong. Me, I am very small. I don't have supporters for tonight video. Oh my god.
Me, I'm not strong.
You are very na ka. Guys, konnichiwa, sarang giti, sarang hiyo, birahing galagom, tabugok ug tamala, handusig, patalikod.
Thank you for following.
Bundaki, handusig. Di ba kita ka mga English ay mahirapan sa kanisod ani Koreano. Hey, brother, how much your age?
My age?
Yeah.
38.
Madapak yung Arigat ko sa ima sibuyas, kamatis ng abong may ahos. You know, I am talking Korean and Japanese and Chinese and Taiwanese and Vietnamese. I have so many language in the other country. But little. Calling kanya minoy say, oy, calling kanya manoy, say manoy, manay, calling kanya minoy, calling, kugang kanya minoy. Vietnam. I speak Thailand. Sawadee kap, kapon kap, pagkapon ka, isot pa ka.
Oh, you're good.
Thailand. Japan. Arigato gozaimasu, sibuyas, kamatis, loy, bombay, ahos. Mati ko na say. Maldita, thank you for that. Salamat, thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu, sibuyas, kamatis, loy, mura man wasagana ni mananak, mura man gilay siyang kinabuhi. Hindi na ako, mura buwagan ni siyang uyab. Tanawa na galuya. Wala ni kamumpon nga ang iyang uyab. Giilisan siya sa iyang amigo. Hey, why you don't have energy?
My energy?
Yeah, but why you don't have energy tonight?
Well, please one more time. Why?
Why you don't have energy? Why you are very you break after
Because you have so many energy, so that's a balance.
Okay.
Because you have a lot of energy. So
Yeah. I
be silent.
am energetic.
Balance good.
You know, I am
Yeah.
energetic today tonight because I am drinking Bahalina and I use a vibrator every night. Yeah.
So yeah,
Vibrator is good for the body health and very energetic to my junjun.
you're very energetic.
Yeah. If you want to use a vibrator, I send you a vibrator. I give you a free. No money. You know, no buy money. I give you a free only. If you want to energy like me, use every night vibrator. Okay?
Vibrate. Okay.
Yeah. Vibrator is pautok to your body.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay, thank
brother.
you. Nice game. Arigato.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you, brother.